Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today I got a special little short video for you. I never do this, shoot offhand, so I think it's going to be pretty interesting. 50 yards. So we're going to use my CZ-457 as the heavy rifle and my XT-22 as the light rifle. See which one I can shoot better offhand. 50 yards, let's see. So today is the day. I take my CZ-457 and my XT-22. Shoot offhand at 50 yards, 5 shots. I've got a 3-inch sticky dot down there, and I just want to see if I can keep 5 shots in the 3 inches offhand. I have a feeling that with the CZ, because it's so heavy, I'm going to be wobbling around a lot more. But let's see what happens. So I have 5 shots in each mag of Sailor and Baylot Canadian match. We're going to see which one shoots the best offhand for me. So, at 50 yards, let's get it done. So you guys all know my CZ-457. I'm going to be shooting on 5 power. Actually, I'm going to take this off just to make it a little bit lighter, maybe a bit easier. Okay. So, offhand, on the left target, the CZ-457 up for 5. There's 5 with the CZ. Now we got my XT-22 with the Arcan SH4 Gen 2. Way lighter, way lighter. The scope's light, the rifle's light. I have a feeling this might be a bit easier. So let's see what we can do here. Oh. I have a feeling those are going to be some pretty poor results, so let's go have a look. Well, looks like the CZ is the winner. Got 3 on the sticky. We only got 2 on the sticky with the XT. And from what I could see, 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure where the other one went. And as far as the CZ goes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So clearly the heavier rifle is better for me. I have no idea where that 5th shot on the XT went. 3, 4. I marked all the other ones. I guess I'll have to review the footage to find that out. Well, there you have it. That's offhand at 50 yards for me. Clearly need to improve on that.